The shocking truth about popular exercises. Feeling drained after workouts? That's because most popular exercises, like yoga, cardio, and weight training, actually drain your life energy. They push your body too hard, leaving you tired, stressed, and more vulnerable to illness. But there's a better way. Life energy exercise restores vitality through 3 forms of Qigong. Static Qigong, stillness to gather energy. Instinctive Qigong, like longevity Qigong, natural movements to restore balance. Active Qigong, like Steelman Qigong, building strength from the inside out. These aren't just workouts. They heal illness, protect health, and extend life without draining your energy. Don't just work out. Cultivate life energy. Learn more at totallifeenergyplan.com.